Today we're going to see if this wireless iPhone lavalier microphone is better than the built-in microphone. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda outside here. I do a little filming outside sometimes. Sometimes I'm far away from the camera here. And so I wanted to improve the audio quality for those videos. So I picked this up. Let's take a look at it. So this little iDiskk wireless lavalier microphone caught my attention because it looks so simple. And one of the things here that I wanted to do is just unbox it and give you a real close-up of what you get in this. Now, many of the lavalier microphones that I've had in the past have a little receiver box and then a cable that goes to the microphone itself. Then you clip the microphone up to your lapel. But this seemed to be a kind of an all-in-one device. That's why I was pretty interested in it. And so what you can see here is we get a little hard case, which is cool. It's no bigger than an earbuds case, and if everything is in here, wow, I'm pretty impressed with that. This is super small, and I really love the fact that it comes with a case because I actually didn't expect it to, especially given the price point, which is under 50 bucks. Looks like we get some extra little windscreens in here, so for the microphone itself. We also get a charging cable, USB-A to C here, so that's kind of nice, and it's a very short one, 6 inches or so. So you'll always have that with you in this little part of the case, so you have all your accessories. And then down here we have the foam cutout, and this will be your receiver, I believe, that will plug into your iPhone. It's just plastic and it's very light. I mean, this thing is only maybe 1.5 inches long, so you can see it has lightning right there, so it'll plug into any iOS device or recent iOS device. And then what's interesting here is we have another lightning port, and I don't think this has to be powered. I think it picks up power from the phone, so I think this is basically a pass-through so that you can put in your lightning earbuds and do some monitoring. So that's pretty cool too. Nice little thought there. And then right here we have the lapel. So again, what I love about this is this portion here only looks like 1.25 inches long. It's very small, it's very light. This is where we'll have the USB-C port. So it looks like I could plug in USB-C there. We get a little charging light. It has a little clip here. Now I will say that the clip material is plastic. That's probably going to be fine. Keeps it nice and light so it doesn't tug on the clothing. But I worry a little bit about this, you know, the durability there, but seems like it'll work okay. Here's that windsock, so it'll just come off there, and then you have a little tiny microphone right up there. So what I love is that this is something that can go with you all the time, especially if you're filming outside, maybe away from the camera. Looks like we have a power button right here, right down there. So what I love about this is that this is something that can go with you. It's very small, it's very light, it's very portable, and it's very affordable, but does it work? So let's give it a try. All right, here I am standing in front of the camera. I've got the little lavalier microphone clipped onto my shirt here. Tap, 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 tap. Can you hear the tapping? I'm only about 5 feet away from the camera, so to be honest, whether I'm using a lavalier or the built-in microphone, it should probably be pretty good. Now, we do have a little bit of wind today because I'm outside. We're getting some extraneous noise from the birds and the cicadas and things like that, so you can be the judge of the microphone quality from 5 feet away. But if we back up and try from some other distances, that's when, hopefully, the lavalier mic will shine. Here I am about 10 paces away, so I'm about 30 feet away from the camera right now. So still using the microphone, and now we will back up and try it at some farther distances. All right, guys, I'm about 35 feet away. I've got the wind blowing on me right now, so there would normally be some pretty good wind noise on the built-in camera microphone. I will also say that I don't know that I'd be shooting this far away from it unless I'm trying to get in some other background scenery or something like that. But normally I'd be a little closer to the camera, but I'm about 35 feet away right now, still using this microphone. So you be the judge of whether you think the quality from this microphone is certainly better than the built-in microphones. But if it's pretty good, it's super easy. It's just plug and play. You plug in the receiver into the phone, you turn on the microphone and clip it onto your shirt. It comes with this case that's the size of an earbuds case, so it's really easy to take with you. If, while I'm reviewing the footage and the audio from this, if it works halfway decently, this is definitely the one that's going to be going with me on trips, and hopefully it will improve the audio quality of the videos you watch of me when I'm outside. If you shoot video and want great audio and this is going to help you live a little better, I'll put a link to this in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.